you're going to see the amazing, magnificent building, and it's Dubai's pride and UAE's pride. The most magnificent building, the amazing, you will be able to see now. And I'm going to show you the world's tallest building ever on earth at the moment. And you can see Burj Khalifa. The name is Burj Khalifa, world's tallest building it is. And you can see how beautifully it stands on this land. And you can see it's as tall as 2,717 feet. You can compare, I'm 5 feet and 2,700. 10, 100, 1,000, like that. This is more than 2,000 feet. And so majestic it is standing. It is pride of Dubai. It was, it took 6 years to complete.
They're saying we can't hear anything.
Okay. Unmute karna padega. Can you hear me?
We can hear you, ma'am. You can go ahead. We can hear you clearly.
Okay. It took 6 years to construct this, the tallest world's building. Yes, children, this is Burj Khalifa.
Excuse me, ma'am. Kindly use landscape mode, ma'am, if possible. Kindly turn your portrait into landscape. It will be very good for us for view. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yes, this is, it took 6 years to construct, and it was inaugurated in 2010, 11 years ago on January 4th. You can see 11 years, it was the world's largest, tallest building, and it is also called as vertical city of Dubai. Why? I will tell you, because it has got more than 100 residences. It has got a hotel. Atmosphere is on 122nd floor. Atmosphere is the hotel. You can go for dining, and there is an observation deck at 124th floor, and that is the highest observation deck ever. So that is the tallest observation deck. From there, you can see the whole of Dubai, the most beautiful overbridges, magnificent buildings you can see. And there is a swimming pool, residences, offices. All of them are there in this world's tallest building. And that is why it is also called as vertical Dubai city. And here in the night, the life comes to alive. The city is alive because there is this Dubai fountain, and it is free to watch, and they're dancing with music. On this Burj Khalifa, we had our national flag on 15th August, and all stars birthdays were also celebrated with the lighting on this Burj Khalifa. Shah Rukh Khan's birthday, even our actor Vijay Sethupathe's, I think one advertisement came for Navarasam. Yes, children. So this is the most beautiful and tallest building in the whole world for 11 years. You can see now we are going to Dubai Mall. So this is the world's largest land area mall. This is 12 million square feet. You can see all the iconic building, other iconic buildings, but nothing to compare with the world's tallest Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa, children, for you all, it stands so majestically. I can really feel the presence of the building, the most spectacular building ever. And it was inaugurated by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, and he's the ruler of Dubai. And it's a superstructure, mind-blowing if you stand. I think if I stand near that, I'm only 5 feet and I look like an ant, very smaller than an ant. Yes. It is not same on the left and right side, so it's not symmetrical. because there is a lot of strong wind and sandstorm and all that come to balance everything, to reduce the wind effect. They have made it this design, the design, and there is a lot of steel and cement. Tons of cements were used, like 100,000 elephants. How many? How big it must be? So that much concrete cement was used. The steel and the glass, the amount of material and the hard work is gone to erect this majestic building is really, really worth a praise. Yeah. So now I'm going to go inside the Dubai Mall, which is this is the entrance. So we are going inside. Let me walk you through the Dubai Mall. It is the largest mall in the one of the largest mall in the world, and let us see some interesting things also. Yes, we are entering. This is the entrance. The huge atrium and more than 12 coffee shop. This is the most amazing aquarium, the world's largest number of fish, as you will be able to see. Let us walk through the Dubai Mall. It's more than 12,000 shops are there. Many, 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 many. You will see wonderful. You will see wonderful things available. You must be thinking why I'm showing you this shop, but yeah, why the mall? Let's see what is the most interesting for children. I will walk you through. It is the biggest mall ever, land-wise. It is. Yeah, let us go. We are going to the first floor. We are inside the mall now. I'm showing you all these beautiful places because I want you all to study well, become very smart, and come and visit all the beautiful places. Yeah, let's go a little further. We are going to the aquarium. You'll see how all huge, huge we are inside the mall now. Now we are going to reach the aquarium, which is got more than 3,000 different fish. Let's go a little nearer. Yes, children? So love you all, and I'm so excited to show you the aquarium. You see all the beautiful things available here, but the most interesting for the children, of course, is the aquarium. And one more shop we are going, but first the aquarium, children. Can you see the beautiful fish, different types of fish? Yeah, this is one of the largest aquarium, and there is underwater zoo also, but I'm going to show you the aquarium from outside. You can see the stingray. You can see the stingray and different 3000 types of fishes. You can see the stingray and there's a shark also, but obviously the shark is hiding from us. Why is the shark hiding? Can you see the beautiful silvery fish? For you, the homework is find out the names of different fish. Yeah, these are the national people over here. They're in their national costume. The UAE, Dubai, this is. So their costume is also different. And I can see another stingray here. The shark over there, we'll go a little further and we'll see some shark. There is another stingray and shark I can see. Can you see the shark, children? Yeah, they are moving so smoothly and they must be waiting to do something. But yeah, this is one of the largest aquarium. You can see some colorful fish also. Can you see with the yellow tail? Yeah, maybe they are the tiger fish. The homework for you is find out the name of the fish. Yeah, the beautiful. This one is so beautiful. This one is so beautiful. Yeah, different fish. Oh, wow. Lovely. What an amazing sight this is. I wish you all are with me and I would have loved to show you. They are very small fish and huge also, you can see. And if we want, we can go inside with the diving suit and feed some of the fish also. But yeah, we will do that when you all come with me to Dubai and visit me. We all will go deep diving now.
Can you hold the camera, please? Repeat somebody else.
Yeah, can you repeat what you're trying to give me the message, please?
Ma'am, can you please hold the camera in other direction, wider view? They are asking.
Okay, I will try.
Request from a parent.
Wider view they want.
Backside.
Yeah, okay. It's a really huge, so the parameters you will be able to see when I go far. Thank you, dear parent, for bringing that to my notice. Yeah. I think this is a broader view. Really huge it is. I'm not inside. I'm just showing you the outside. Now I think you can see the broader view of the aquarium. And as I said, there are more than 3000 different kinds of fish. And each one of them are amazingly beautiful. Different. Some are small, some are huge. Fish, stingray, shark I can see. Now you are going to see the most amazing place after the aquarium. I'm going to show you Candylicious. This is the Candylicious shop. And I know everybody will love to be here. Yeah, I will go. Let's go inside and explore some more. Can you see the big tree in this view they wanted? Yeah, this looks like Hansel and Gretel scenery, right? The story where the house is fully with candies and chocolates and cookies. I think this, you can relate to this, right? Yeah, I can see some amazing chocolates. These are some, yeah. Can you see the moving goodies, chocolates? Yes, children, you can pick that up. It's a fruity mix. Yeah, it keeps on moving and let's like a train, and you can pick up different these are gift boxes. You can gift it on a birthdays or something. You can see the huge candies. It must be as big as me, I think. If I stand near the candy bar, I will look like a dwarf. They are so huge. You can see a carriage, candy floss. You can see this is donut cushion. Donut cushion. Of course, it is just to have fun. Yeah. My friend Sangeeta is helping me to take the video. Of course, this is the ice cream cone, chocolate ice cream, and some, yeah, let us go. These are some, yeah, the cherry candy and lollipops. Lovely. I think I'm going to pick up some more. These are some toys for the children. You can see. Yes, children. Yeah, this is a Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Spider-Man with a fan. Yeah, this is really nice. Beautiful, beautiful. I can smell nice chocolates. Of course, it's amazing to be here. Children, I'm again telling you, Frozen, Disney World's Frozen, and related to that, the bags are there, the cookies are there, chocolates are there. This is Hello Kitty chocolates. This is Barbie. Yeah, this is Barbie. Can you see the Barbie doll? Ooh. Here, candies are here, and this is the Barbie doll on roller skates. Yeah, amazing. Yeah. I want to be a small child. Yes, this is Oreo. It's a big Oreo. Yeah, this is the Chupa Chups. Such a big one. It's as big as my face. Yeah, so amazing. Different kinds of candies. You can see. Can you show a little far so that we'll see how many are there? Yeah, I can see some 20 or 50 of them. Wide angle karko. Yeah. Can you see? So many different varieties. I think each one is different flavor. Each one is different flavor. Oh my God. So many lovely colors, lovely tastes. I think different delicious. These are Hello Kitty, different kinds of candies and chocolates. There's a Kinder Egg kind of thing. Yeah, I'll buy everything and come. Yeah, very nice, children. I think I'm lost with the amazing coins. These are the coins you can buy. Inside there are chocolates. These are Oreos, different types of cookies and chocolates. Another set of candies. These are yummy. It looks yummy. These are another set of gummy bears, strawberry candy, gummy bears, different gummy bears. You know, different flavors are there. Cola flavor, then tropical flavor, multicoloring, sour ones, and can you see different shapes and colors? Oh my God, it's so amazing. Yeah, they look so lovely. Oh my God, this is so mind blowing. You can see hundreds of them. This is another set I'm showing. The first one I showed you was this, and now I'm showing you opposite side is this. And totally different. There is one more also. Let's go there. Amazing flavors and amazing number of cookies and gummy bears. And how many children? Again, I'm telling you, you all study well, become smart, and come here, and you can have a look at all the delicious things available for you all. So yeah, Dubai is yeah, lovely to be here. In Candylicious is the shop. Yes, children, these are again gummy bears. Yeah. Yes, children, this is another place where you will have Smarties. So they are called different M&Ms or Smarties, whatever you all tell. These are mini biscuits. Some toys, children. Yeah, this is a carry bag. And there are candies inside again. Yo, wow. I think I have to, yeah, these are again Arabic influenced camel shaped cookies. Yeah, camel milk is used here, and some dates. You can see some dates, children, and some 50 kinds of cookies and Smarties. You can see there are different brands available, and these are again totally different brands of chocolates. Yeah, it looks amazing. I love to be here. Yeah, we'll see some more. There is an airplane over there. You can see. I think it is full of candies though. I'm not going to go up, but I can pick up whatever I want from the these counters. Yeah, this is again a different sweet, Garrett brand it is, and they are totally different. Yeah. Yeah, I wish I can take all of them with me, along with me. There are toys inside the cookies. Yeah, Malteser, I wish I can. These are M&Ms. Yeah, these are different kinds of M&Ms. Yeah, you can see the three figures. Yeah, I think we'll take all the three trays, right? Yes, children, so lovely to be here. These are some of the chocolates available in India also, but yeah, I can see some lovely cookies, fresh cookies made over here, baked. That's why I was getting some nice smell. And these are some chocolate chips and white chocolate. Yeah, you can see some lovely things. Oh my God, amazing smell, amazing place. Yes, very good, children. I'm so happy to be here. I know you will be double happy to be here. You will be double happy to be here. I wish you all were with me to see this amazing place. These are some chips. A few chips are there. Some pillows so that you all can play with that, sleep with that. Goodie bags. Yeah, these are some goodie bags. Yeah, we can pick lots of them to gift them to your friends on their birthdays. Yeah, some dresses are also available. Yeah, some t-shirts, but they are small, I think. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Can you see different ice cream cones shaped candies? And the number of varieties and flavors are amazing, amazing. And you can see the small helicopter. Yeah, biplane it is, biplane, and different types of M&Ms. Yes. So yeah, this is nice thing to cuddle with. Yeah, nice, beautiful, beautiful. These are different brands available over here. They are from US, I think. USA, yeah, made in USA. They are very tasty. Can you see? Nice, beautifully. Yeah, we came here. So one more time, we'll have a quick look at all the things and say, it's really amazing. I'm really happy to be here. So I can really wish that you all were here with me, and I wish you all were with me. Just one more walkthrough, Candylicious Stone. Candish store. One more walkthrough with me. My friend Sangeeta is helping me to take the video. So yes. Children, it's really amazing. It's a dreamland. It's like Hansel and Gretel house. You all know the story, right? Yeah, it's as big as me. Those candies on the tree are as big as me. Believe me when I say. And beautiful, beautiful. Let me stand here and show you how big this is. Happy to be here. So nice to talk to you all. Love you all. And of course, don't forget Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in Dubai, and it's pride of Dubai and pride of UAE. Children, yes, so I think I'll sign off and say bye-bye to you all. Love you all. I'm so excited to show you all this. Really happy to be with you all and really happy to be in Dubai. Bye-bye and love you all. Love you all.
Thank you for the wonderful trip, ma'am.
Thank
you for the wonderful trip,
here.
ma'am.
I wish you all were here with me. We would have had a wonderful time. So thank you. Thank you for
thank you for the
allowing
wonderful trip, ma'am. It was amazing.
Yes, it is amazing. It is amazing.
Yes, thank you so much.
Next time you all will be with me.
Yeah, sure. Already we are with you only.
Tour.
We are feeling like we are walking with you in Dubai. It
Yes,
was very nice.
We will have some more iconic building and we'll have one more tour in Dubai. Yes, love you all.
Love you too. Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye and love you all.